You, come here. Watch this video right here. This video right here. I'm going to continue to take it more to the next level.
We got Bruce up on the track.
Alright, YouTube, like I said, I am doing a SEMA build, guys. So you guys saw the video I did before. I am going to remove the rear bumper, and I am going to put 10-inch exhaust tips. It's going to be bigger than the new RS5, so please, when I put them on there, don't go crazy. It's going to look just like this. What I'm doing right now is I'm essentially just creating the car that I said I was going to create for SEMA. So just to kind of give you a snippet of what's happening, you know, my rear wheels are already 14 inches wide. Okay. So they're going to be that wide. I am literally going to put a 10-inch lip on my rear wheels. So what you see right now is actual cardboard for how far my wheels are going to stick out, because I want that aggressive, super aggressive rear bumper delete look. I'm going to make it look really cool to where it makes sense, and just it's going to be so aggressive. As you guys know, before I was going with the exotic car look. But I just said I want to take it to the next level. So if you look right here, I'm actually going to extend out my side skirts. So if you look, my side skirts are going to extend out from how far they already are, and they're going to essentially come right here and just going to contour just like that. As you can see, it's going to stretch out. I'm going to put like a little vent, like little side vent to match. You know, I love that color. It matches with my brake calipers, etc. That's going to be there on the car. And I'm going to cut more of this out, so it's going to be more of an exposed look, and it's going to kind of look like what you see in the picture. My front wheels are 13 inches wide, just for building purposes and functionality purposes. I think I'm okay as far as the width of my front wheels, just so I can turn, right? I'm trying to make it a car that I can actually drive. And as you can see, the car is slammed right now, so this is how it will look while it's slammed. I do have airbags for everyone that follows the channel. This is going to be the front to replicate the front that you see right here. I'm really going to create that same front look. I'm already starting to work on the front, and it's going to essentially match what you saw in the picture of the car in general. And this is just going to show you that side view. If for those of you who didn't know or haven't watched my channel before, these are going to be my front wheels. They're already sitting there with a nice lip on them. Got Lambo wheels on there, so really excited about how this build is going to look. Really excited, guys. I'm thinking about, as you can see from the picture, this entire part back here that's in the white is going to be carbon fiber. So don't know if the front's going to be carbon fiber or it's going to be a color match, but this will be carbon fiber. For those of you who watched my channel before, I'm also going to, when I do the exposed bumper look, this rear diffuser is actually right here. It's actually off of my Tesla Model 3 Performance. Somehow I'm gonna make this work at the bottom of the exposed bumper, as you guys saw in the picture. And if you guys didn't know, this was my old body kit right here. I have about 3 of them. That's my old body kit that I made right there. Was the body kit I was doing at first. Had a kind of extreme Liberty Walk Lambo look to it. And you know what, guys? It looks great to me, but I just wanted something that looks just completely different, and that just really turned heads. Just something super insane and aggressive. Look different, turn heads. So, although I love this look and it took me time to create this, as you can see, I went ahead as any builder and pressed the reset button. And of course, you guys know I have brand new Toyo proxies that's gonna actually go on the car. That's gonna sit on the rear. So yeah, guys, got the old RS5 sitting over there. And guys, so tell me what you think. Tell me if you're liking this look and if you like the direction that I'm going. Really doesn't matter to me. I'm doing it. I'm doing it for SEMA and I'm doing it for the car guys out here. So yeah, this is what I'm looking like. Super excited, guys. Let me know your thoughts. I'm back, guys, and you guys know I got the turbo to back it up in the power, so it's gonna be an insane build, completely insane build. It's gonna be sick. Yeah, I was even thinking about if I ever got to a point, I might even lower the roof and just kind of chop the roof and just kind of give it an even wider look, but I think I'm okay right now. So yeah, this is what's been going on, guys. Trying to get back into the scene. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate the love and the support. Bruce is back and ready to attack. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace, I'm out.